everyone, welcome back to my channel Prabha Crafts. I will show you beautiful bird applique, very easy, simple and cute. Try it. Let's get started. To make it magic ring, three crochet hook, channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next 12 double crochet inside this magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next one triple crochet inside this magic ring. Next picot stitch 1, 2, 3, channel 3. Using back chain, channel 1 go to slip stitch. Next one triple crochet inside this magic ring. Next one double crochet inside this magic ring. Pull the yarn very tight. Next close to magic ring. The bird head portion is ready. The kite to extra end. Now cut the yarn. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Same point go to double crochet. Next channel go to 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Next channel go to 2 double crochet. Next channel go to 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. This round is 8 double crochet. Next, long double crochet, turn, same place, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Next channel 1, next channel go to skip, next channel go to double crochet, next channel 1, next channel go to double crochet, next channel 1, next channel go to double crochet, next channel 1, next channel go to double crochet, next channel 1, this place skip, this loop, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next turn, same place go to double crochet. Next channel go to double crochet. Next channel 1, this portion is skip, this portion go to single crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next middle place go to single crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next middle place go to single crochet. Next channel 1, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. This place skip. Next last channel go to 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn, same channel go to double crochet. Next channel go to skip. Next channel 1, middle portion go to single crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next middle portion go to single crochet. Next channel 1, this place is skip, this place go to double crochet. Next place go to double crochet. Next double crochet, channel 3 inside go to double crochet. Next channel 3 1 2 3. Next turn. Next channel go to decrease the double crochet 1 and 2. Next 3 loop closed. Next channel 1. This middle portion go to single crochet. Next channel 1. Next last chain go to 2 double crochet 1 and 2. Next channel 3 1 2 3. Next turn, same place go to double crochet. Next this portion go to decrease the double crochet. Next channel go to this 3 loop closed. Next channel 3 1 2 3. Turn, this middle portion go to 2 double crochet 1 and 2. Next channel 3 1 2 3. Next turn, next channel go to double crochet. Next this channel go to double crochet. Next channel 3 1 2 3. Next channel go to double crochet. Next this portion go to double crochet. Next channel 3 1 2 3. Next turn, next channel go to double crochet. Next channel go to double crochet. Now cut the yarn. Next connect to feet. Channel 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now turn, go to back chain, skip 1. Second channel go to slip stitch. Next continuous slip stitch. Total 5 slip stitch. Now cut the yarn. Wave end close to sewing needle. Now cute bird applique is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the channel. Thank you. Thanking all.